Welcome back to Hidden Valley Homestead, where we're preparing for what's coming. So you guys saw the first video where we pulled apart the wall and found a whole colony with hive and everything in there. And we did find a small queen. However, we think that that is a baby queen. So we have another swarm going on right there. They're bunched up right there. So we're going to look for a second queen. Let's get to it. Welcome to Hidden Valley Homestead, where my wife Olivia and I escaped the city to homestead our off-grid property in Idaho. This is our journey. All right, guys, here is the other hive, okay, and everything is really quiet. And that was where the small queen is in. We're going to be moving that one. We're going to put that, we're going to make a setup out in the field over here. It's really foggy and cold this morning. But then we got the one up there. So I can hear the bees in there moving around. So the bees are still in there. And they've got the small queen in there. So hopefully they've stayed. But after we did that, that's what happened right there. You guys see that? Look at that big ball up there. There's a little bit of honeycomb. There's still some honeycomb right up in there. And there's a chunk of honeycomb in there. And they're balled up around there. So we think that the queen, the main queen is up there. So we're going to scoop them up into a box. And look at all those. Gosh, seems like right now would be a good time, but we're going to wait till it warms up a little bit this afternoon. Make sure that the sheet does not get cold. So, all right. Okay, guys, it's warmed up. It's after lunchtime. We're going to try and get that big bunch into a box, and we're going to look for the queen. That's the whole goal here. Let me flip you guys around and see what's going on. I might have to put my... I have goosebumps because they're flying all around me. They are very aware of what's going on, and they are protecting something. Oh yeah, here they come. They're coming after me. Holy smokes. I need to put my suit on. So guys, I'm not gonna walk over there without my suit on. I need to put my gloves and my hood on. But yeah, these things are all flying around me right now, and they are protecting whatever's going on up there. So we're gonna try and get that big ball into a box, into the new hive. So here we go. I was thinking we focus on the see the ball right there?
Yeah.
That ball has been there for 2 days.
Okay.
And they're kind of lapping over in the corner where there's some honeycomb in that corner. But that ball is just a piece of wood right there. I think she's underneath that ball. That would make sense to me. So let me move all this stuff. And you said we do need the center
When
cover?
we're done, that goes on that's the inner lid.
That's going to go on top of this one.
Yeah, that'll go on top, and then you'll have the roof. This one that goes on top of that.
So we're going to put whatever we find up there right here.
Correct.
Okay.
Set this. It's hot. Be careful.
Should I do a little smoke down here? Should I have the box? Oh. That's why I wanted to put the box underneath there to try and catch them.
Do you want the box?
I do.
Here, I'll give it to you. Stay right there. Oh.
Can I set that on top of it? She didn't fall down here, did she?
I doubt it. I'm sure she's buried under all of them.
Because there's bees here with giant pollen sacs on their legs.
That's perfect. That's not a queen.
Right? at all the bees in there with the pollen of it. I'll bet she's underneath all that. See, they're not going in any holes in there. There's no gaps for them to go in and out of there. She's going to be different. You want the brush?
No. I'm trying to just look and see
Sticking right there on that. You want to be on this side of the ladder?
they're on high alerts. No, I think we should start knocking off
Okay.
from here.
Let me get the box in there. Go. Is that high enough so you can see in there? Actually, there's comb right here. That's why they're on that.
Is it root?
Oh, look at those pieces of comb in there. Oh my gosh, it smells like heaven.
Oh my.
I love this smell.
See, I think they're in here. I do. I think they're inside. They're inside here.
Huh.
These are like your birds.
I see what you're looking at there.
And
I don't see them going in and out of that though. I just see them all around this spot right here.
they're going out of here.
Oh.
Yeah, they're under here.
So do I need to pull this roof panel off then?
I think so.
Do you want to? So you don't want to take these bees off right now then?
I wonder if you could take this panel.
Yeah, that's a pretty easy pack. It's hard to see through this.
See what I'm saying? Though? This is like a bottom.
Yeah.
It goes up underneath this.
Look, they're swimming right there now. Look at that hole right there. Okay.
They're underneath the plywood.
Okay.
With the thing on.
All right. Let me get that pulled off then, and we're gonna find a piece of. So I can put this right here. Yeah.
Sorry guys. Jeez, I'm so fancy.
Honey. Oh my goodness.
We're just trying to get.
Mine.
Any sign of the queen or no?
I'll take it down. Huh?
No sign of the queen?
No.
Okay guys, we were unsuccessful in locating a second queen. They're swarming. We feel like they're just bunching up and they're still just really confused, not sure what they're doing. I mean, there's 1,000 bees. The other hive that we did put a queen in, a baby queen, they're coming in and out of there. So that one I'm pretty sure is gonna take off and be established. We're gonna go ahead and we already put some bees in the new hive and we're gonna close that up and maybe there'll be a queen that I don't know, grows. Who knows? Anyway, guys, that's part 2 of our honeybee experience, and stay tuned for more. I'll be coming back and checking this in a week or so and popping the lid off and checking out and seeing what's established and what's not. So, yeah. I don't think I want to take off my
No,
helmet yet.
they're all over you.
They're still swarming. They're still mad. Thanks for watching, guys. Look for part 3 here in a couple weeks.